all the best and happiness. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday.
Hi Noemi Devilla, happy birthday. Hi Noemi Devilla, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. More birthdays to come. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday sa iyo, Noemi Devilla. My God, ako'y natutuwa dahil magpapadala ka pa ng pansin sa set namin. Happy birthday, Noemi!
Hi, Noemi Devilla. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays and blessings to come.
Hi, hello, happy birthday kay Noemi Devilla. Yan, sana malay pang birthday ng gusto at sana matulong mo support na namin ito ng pangarap. It's your special day, Silent Dizon. Alright, bye-bye. Thank you, Dan.
Happy birthday, Noemi. Good luck and God bless.
Happy Noemi, sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mas mahabang buhay. Ingat kayo palagi dyan.
Hello, Noemi. Happy birthday. Wish you more blessings, more trouble, and more love. I love you. Miss you. Salamat sa friendship. Love you. Ingat lagi ikaw ah. Love you. Bye-bye. Love you.
Happy birthday, Miss Noemi. Ngayong araw na to, ikaw yung pinakamagandang nilalang sa home healthcare. Sana humaba pa yung pasensya mo kay Ate She para hindi ka kaagad kumulubon. Ayun lang.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Miss Norms, happy 50th birthday. Wala talaga sa itsura mo na 50 ka na, promise. I miss you so much. Enjoy your special day, Miss Norms. I love you, I miss you.
Happy 50th years, Noemi. Golden girl ka na ngayon. Soon, you will join us. 10 years from now, you will join us. And I hope na maligaya ka kahit nandiyan ka sa Saudi. Sayang, di ka dito magbe-birthday. Pero alam ko naman na marami kang kaibigan dyan na susuporta sa iyo, sa iyong ika-50 taong kaarawan. I wish you all the best, more power, good health, God bless, and good luck sa iyong journey today. I love you. Happy birthday.
Chamitang! Happy birthday! Uy, 50 ka na? Ang bilis naman, Mari! Diyos ne! Okay, see you in the Philippines. Uwi uli sa August, ha? Ciao! Happy birthday! Love you! Mwah!
Hi, Noyms. Happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best in life. More happiness with your loved ones. Good health and hope to see you soon. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mom. Happy birthday, Miss Noemi.
Noemi, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the best in life. Thank you. Peace. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Love you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday po. God bless.
Hi Ate Noyms, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best on your birthday. Alam ko naman happy ka sa iyong love life, career, and family of course. Best of luck on the year ahead. I miss you.
Greetings from Jeddah! Hi, Noyms! Happy birthday! Sana lahat ng prayers and wishes mo matupad. At dalangin ko magkaroon ka ng long life at good health. Happy birthday! At salamat sa lahat-lahat ng mga bagay na nagawa mo at tulong mo sa akin. Kaya, God bless and enjoy your day. Bye!
Happy birthday, I love you. Happy birthday, I love you.
Hi, Ma'am Noims. Kumusta ka na? Wishing you all the best on your 50th birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. May God bless you always. Stay healthy. See you soon.
Bye.
Regards with Ate Kay. Bye-bye.
Happiest golden birthday ever, Noemi. More blessings to come. Well, I know you're gonna be blessed with your family, friends, and of course in your career. So I still wish you all the best, more to come, and of course have a happiest birthday, golden birthday ever. Yay!
Hi, Ate Noemi. Happy 50th birthday. I love you. Wish you all the best of good health and happiness always. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Ninang Noemi. Happy 50th birthday. God bless you po.
More blessings and more birthdays to come. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Noemi. Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana marami ka pang blessing na matanggap. And thank you sa mga advice na binibigay mo sa akin. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. I hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Noemi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang. I wish you the best health.
I wish you for many more birthdays to come.
And enjoy ka dyan sa party mo. Bye-bye. Regards to everyone. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola Noemi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita!
Happy birthday, Tita. I love you.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang bukod sa, syempre, more blessings, good health. Yun naman palagi. And enjoy your day. I love you.
Noemi, babatiin lang kita ng happy golden year. Wow, 50 ka na rin pala. So, welcome to the club. Wish ko lang sa'yo is, syempre, good health, long life, happiness, and a wonderful day full of surprises, and lots of fun. So, siguro na-surprise ka ni She. And, so, enjoy your 50th birthday. So, namnamin mo ng husay yung celebration. So, another additional memories yan sa iyo. Okay, so, happy 50th birthday ulit, and enjoy. Ingat palagi.
Happy birthday po, Tita Noemi. Enjoy your day po. Ingat po kayo dyan palagi.
Tita, sasayo o kakanta sana kaso ang request ni Tita King video greeting lang. Happy birthday po. May birthday na po ko sa inyo yung siniguelas. Ingat po kayo dyan lagi. Mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo.
Happy birthday, Tita Noemi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Noemi. Lagi ka lang maging masaya. Mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin. Lalo na kay Jam, tsaka noon kay Ama. Lagi ka lang jolly person. God bless. Love you.
Hi, Noemi. Happy birthday and welcome to the golden years. And I'm wishing you good health, more trouble to come, and more success in life. And stay a good person with a good heart. Bye!
Hi po, Ninang. Happy birthday po, and I hope to see you soon. Ingat po palagi.
Happy birthday, Noemi. Sana ay marami pang birthday ang dumaan sa iyo. Happy birthday. Salamat. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. We love you from your favorite.
Hello, Ate Noemi. Happy birthday to you. I wish you all the best in life. Happy life. Good health. And alam mo naman na ikaw ang isa sa pinakapaborito kong pinsan. Kasi palagi ka nandyan. Pag may problema ako, nakikinig ka. And thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa lahat sa pakikinig. I know na maraming taong nagmamahal sa'yo. So, wala na akong mag-wish pa siguro. Palagi ka mag-iingat dyan. Happy birthday!
Hello po! Happy birthday, tita! I know dapat dito kayo magpa-birthday, pero kahit hindi po nangyari, I hope you enjoyed your time here last month. Sana nakabawas-bawas naman po ako ng utang, and na-feel nyo na kayo naman ng nililibre kahit kaunti. I pray, and my wish for you is that God continue to bless you. Kita naman po yun on how generous you are to the family, especially how you take care of Inay very well. I hope you take care of yourself, your health. Sana good vibes lang po palagi, no wrinkles, and cheers to more TikTok videos till 60. Happy birthday, tita! Love you po!
Happy birthday to you. Sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Noemi. Happy birthday, Ingat. Love you.
Happy birthday, Noemi. More birthdays to come. Good health. Enjoy your day. Ingat ka lagi. I love you.
Happy birthday. Hindi na lang natin bilangin ang mga numbers, ang mga great memories na lang. At sana magkita kaya nila ate at saka mga apo ko sa Houston, at saka hug mo ako kay nanay. Miss you. Sana makabalik kayo dito sa Cebu. Manifesting 2026.
Happy birthday, Ninang Mimi! Sana marami ka pang maranasang birthday. I love you po.
Happy birthday, Tita Mimi. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come. I love you.
Hi, Tita Mimi. Happy birthday. More travels pa sana na magkakasama tayo. Enjoy your day, Tita.
Happy birthday, Ninang Mimi!
Happy birthday, tita! Juju, me, and Jonas love you. Hope to see you soon.
To you, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Naomi.
Happy birthday, Naomi.
Say happy birthday, Naomi.
Happy birthday to you. My happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Naomi. I wish you all the best. I wish if I was there to celebrate it. But see, I'm celebrating it with my two little ones. I love you so much. Bye.
Nani, happy birthday. Ikaw ay 50 years old na. At ikaw pala, Noemi, noong anak ko, ay ako ay 38. Dahil ngayon ako ay 88 na. O, ikaw na may 50. Kaya 38 years old ako nung ikaw ay aking ipanganak. Masaya ako, ineng. Kaya ako ay hindi ako nakaluksa. At birthday mo. Sayang nga lamang, hindi natuloy ang joint party ninyo ni Lito sa Amerika. Sana nag-join kayo ng kuya Lito si A60. Anong handa mo? Marami kagang handa. Kami magpapansit na laan din eh. At ng birthday mo din. At pag kami nakapagkainan din ng iyong mga kuya at mga pamangkin, ay siya, birthday party na yun. Sana Noemi, humaba pa ang buhay ko at nang makita ko pang maraming pagkarawan. Sayang wala na ang tatay mo. Ngayon tayo hindi naman tayo mayaman, pero ako'y mayaman sa mga anak. At ikaw ang isa doon sa pinaka mababait kayong lahat. Salamat sa Diyos. At sana'y marami pang birthday ang sakitin mo. At buhay pa ako. Sana'y tayong maraming pang taon ng pagsasama dito sa mundo. Nakakalungkot na lamang, wala ka din ito, way ka mag-birthday. Pero, alaala namin ikaw, kaming lahat din eh. Kami tuwa-tuwa sa napakabait mo, anak, kapatid, sa iyong mga pamangkin. Sana na hanggang wakas ay hindi ka magbabago. Alam ko yung gagay mo, hindi ka magbabago. Lagi mo tutulungan ng mga kapatid mo. Magiging mabuti ang kaibigan sa iyong mga mga kaibigan sa lahat ng tao. At hari nawa na yung pagkalooban ka pa ng Diyos ng mahabang buhay. At nang pag ikaw na may tumanda ay mapatulad sa akin na masayang masaya magawa mo ang tungkulin mo dito sa lupa sa iyong mga kapatid at higit lahat sa akin. Happy birthday na Maraming salamat, anak. Maraming salamat.